What's up and welcome back to another spring cleaning gist video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing my office space, hence why I'm hanging out here with you guys right now. And we have a lot to do today. So if you guys didn't know already, I'm doing a full spring cleaning series with you guys, all gist related. We've been doing office, closets, fitness. I don't know if all of these have gone up yet, so I hope I'm not ruining any potential surprise videos. But today in particular, we're going to be doing my office, which, to be honest with you guys, winter took quite a beating to my office. I feel like my office space is one of those places that whenever I don't know where to put something, I kind of just like shove it under my desk, shove it over in this corner, and it's all accumulated now and things have gotten very messy. There's like important papers I probably shouldn't show you in here, but just like, okay, that didn't look that bad, but let me tell you, it's pretty damn bad. Obviously the cleaning and the gisting and the shopping for all of the stuff that we're gonna need today, and we're gonna end today on a whole office tour. So you're getting all the things involved. Can't gist and clean and decorate unless we go get the things we need to get to gist and clean and decorate. So we're gonna be heading to the mall first. Today's video is actually a partnership with Bon Look. It's a store in the Eaton Center that I'm gonna be heading to within our little mall trip. We're gonna be trying out a bunch of new glasses. One of the things that I definitely need is some new styles of glasses, considering I've been doing so much work on the computer. Even just, we'll talk about this, but my night routine of doing my 45 minutes of writing, it's been really kind of taking a hit on my eyes, and so I want to get some glasses that have some blue light therapy to stop that from coming through, and also just some fresh new styles that I can wear for the spring and summer. The other thing is in spring, it rains a lot, especially here in Toronto, and I'm supposed to be wearing glasses when I drive. So basically when light comes into my eyes, it like breaks off, especially in this eye, and it helps to wear glasses for me so that it stops that from happening. So without further ado, I hope you guys have something warm that you're sipping on, or maybe even cold depending on where you live. I know temperatures are rising up in other places in the world, so maybe you're drinking iced coffee, maybe you're drinking a hot coffee, but no matter what, I hope you're drinking a coffee or tea or whatever floats your boat. Get comfy and let's continue our spring gisting, shall we? The next day, I ended up running out of daylight yesterday and waited to do the rest of this vlog with you guys today, since I know that moving everything around and organizing everything is probably going to take a pretty decent chunk of time. Just with the change in seasons, it's been so sunny and stuff, and I've just been like missing that daily dose of sunlight in my office. As you guys can see, there is like a window in my office. That back window area does bring in sunlight, but it doesn't get any direct sunlight. And my bedroom has been getting like a ton coming through this window. So I was playing around with some ideas and I am wanting to give this out. I'm wanting to give this a try, okay? So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my office space here along the window so that I can get some direct sunlight in the morning. And then also, because I've been in such like a grind mode lately, I know that one thing that I normally do stand by is not having like your business mix in with like where your like place to relax is. But that said, I feel like I just need a shift, I need a change, and I need some sunlight, and I need to not let work be like a stress thought in my mind. So I'm kind of inviting it into this space with the intention of planting the seed of a little bit more like bright and lightness to work. And I don't know why I'm talking your guys' ears off. I'm gonna move my office space in here, and then my plan for out here, I wanna create like a filming space in here that's going to be filmed this way. And I picked up just a few little things from Indigo, like little, just like office stuff to add. And I also picked up this little plant. Yeah, those are like the things I picked up from the mall. My glasses should be here in like at least, I think a week. I could be wrong. So we're gonna do that little update at the end too, and I'm gonna show you guys the final results. And now I'm gonna turn my office space into my bedroom space and this space into a cozy corner. Since I've updated with you guys, my room has been changed around for about a week or two now, and I'm really loving it, but I'm ready to tap back into GYSTing and finishing off spring cleaning. So this is an Ultrasonic travel diffuser set. So this is also from Indigo. Basically, I wanted a smaller like little oil diffuser, so I got a smaller one. But it comes with like a little traveler bag, so you can actually bring it with you when you travel. And then my sister grabbed me, this is like a plant your own pesto herbs, so I'm gonna do that. And then this is an organic growing like quartz and blue poppy garden. It's an energy garden. I actually ended up picking up a bed frame, just one of the few little changes I wanted to make into my room. I feel like it's like an energy thing for me. I really want to try lifting my bed off the floor. Guys, I've been having the weirdest dreams lately, and I don't know why I thought this might fix the issue, but in general, I was like, okay, maybe it's because my mattress is on the floor. Maybe it's an energy thing. I don't know. It's only like 6 inches off the ground, so it's literally only gonna bring my bed just a little bit higher, but then I feel like maybe not being on the ground might make a difference sleeping wise. I'll keep you posted. So I'm gonna start there, and we'll see what time we get at in terms of finishing that little project before we wrap up the whole office do-over makeover, and I'll give you guys a final tour, and we'll check out the glasses because I believe those just arrived. Has officially like gone through its makeover, and I'm so excited because this whole setup reminds me so much of my office in my old apartment. If you guys were watching that like my channel at that time, you'll know what I'm talking about when you guys see all the plants and stuff. But I love how everything looks in my room right now. I feel like everything is so spring. I'm gonna give you an updated tour of my bedroom, and then we'll go through my desk and I'll give you guys a desk tour. So again, I'll skip over a lot of the main stuff that I've already shown you guys and focus more on the changes for this tour. So let's jump in. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you guys the closet, but same as before. These were here, I think, last time, but I've shown them to you guys as well. They're these little like tarot card things that I got from Society 6. And then on this side, I just have my dream catcher. This is like the view that you see when you first walk into my room. Building up the bed frame, you guys saw that on camera, so that actually made such a difference. Now, before I had my bed just like completely on the ground, and I liked it, don't get me wrong, but this is only 6 inches off the ground, and just that 6 inches makes such a difference in terms of just feeling like it's an actual like place to get in and out of for bed rather than like rolling. Does that make sense? And then on the bed tray, those are the currently reading for March. And then I ended up picking up some dried up lavender from the plant store. It's also very calming if you do want to like sniff it. I know you guys can't sniff it in the camera, but let's pretend. See, didn't that calm you down? Hi. What you doing? Nothing changed on my gallery walls aside from I got this new Makeover poster that I hung up from New York. And then again over here, not too much has changed aside from I got this new little traveler diffuser. So I used that this morning and then turned it off. There's not enough water in here to keep it on. Otherwise I'd show you guys. And then I also picked up a little lavender pouch. So I was debating doing like a DIY of this because it would be so easy, but it's just dried up lavender in a pouch. Again, we'll do a little smell cam, even though I know you guys can't actually smell it. Do you feel calm yet? Just have my foam roller and my yoga mat. Again, nothing has changed over here. Hello. And then this is where all the changes happened. I moved my desk area in here. So on the bookshelves, these are not staying this way. There's so much stuff, but I'm going to get rid of a few things. As of now, this is how it is. I need to do my planting of my herbs, which I'll do with you guys in a future video. My amethyst, this is the tarot reading I just did. I have, again, I'm going to plant this with you guys on screen in a future video, but my lavender. And then moving down, that's a book haul coming soon. I don't want to show it to you guys, but it's a motivational book haul. Essential oils, more candles. I got this candle as well, is also amethyst from Indigo. Little vintage car, sun lamp, candles, and more essential oils. So a couple changes up here. I hung up my plants, which is giving me all the best vibes. I don't know, it's so zen now. So this is Caroline, my newest plant. Just picked this one up and hung it up here. And then down here, I'll give you guys a little mini desk tour. So I have my chair, obviously. And then drawer number 1. I did just reorganize all of this, not just for you guys, but I used you guys as my incentive because this was getting out of hand before. So I just have my tarot decks. I have the one of the pairs of the Bonla glasses, like reading glasses. These ones are, I'll show them to you, the rose gold ones. These ones here. So I've kept them in here so they're easy to grab for when I need to do computer work. And then look at this box, guys. They have little yogis all over it. It's so freaking cute. Highlighters. I've got some essential oil. Like, they're almost like vape pens, but it's essential oil. Post-it notes, stapler, all that good stuff. This is just like gift cards that I need to use up. We have the other 2 glasses, which you guys saw or will see in the outro. I want to save the surprise. Then in this drawer, again, a lot of this hasn't changed. So back there is just like important papers and notebooks, passport. On top, we have the little cactus guy. We have my 5-minute mark. As like if something's gonna take me less than 5 minutes, I literally just do it right away. Like I don't give myself the chance to procrastinate it. This is my little moon crystal, the All Things Co's light that I got with you guys during the shopping portion of this video too. This is so I can plan out like my week in advance. So I picked this up during the haul portion too from Indigo, and it's just got like Monday to Sunday, Saturday, Sunday on there, and you can like map out your week. So I've been doing that for content. Google Home, desktop computer. This drawer is markers, erasers. How sad is this? This is my old AirPods. I lost one on the way to getting groceries. Never to be seen again. I have just my extra Polaroid cameras. This is from my London trip when I went with Bare Minerals. I left that in here. Some thank you cards, the mouse for my computer, and then papers. And then finishing it off, I just have my 2 tapestries, the sun tapestry and the star tapestry. Well, so there you guys have it. That is the updated tour of my office. Now, yes, these are one of the 3 pairs of my new glasses. I am so in love with these. Okay, first of all, can we just talk about the box with the little yogis on it? All of their boxes are freaking beautiful, like so cute for spring. Quickly, I just wanted to share with you guys my new glasses before we head out. And I also wanted to ask you guys which gist video for spring you wanted to see next. One of them is like a deep clean, and one of them is like a spring closet / spring fashion, like how to kind of like revamp or almost like shop in your closet for spring and like make outfits. Does that make sense? Which of those 2 you guys want to see? I'm gonna put a quick poll up on the screen so you guys can choose, and we'll do those next along with that motivational book haul that's also coming. There's a lot of fun stuff coming. But really quick, I wanted to share with you guys my glasses. So this is the first pair, obviously. This is totally different than anything I've ever had, and I'm loving them, especially for outfits like this when I'm in my more active gear, because it's just, there's something about this style that just feels like it matches this vibe more. But I also did get to this pair, which is almost like a rose gold Harry Potter, if you will, which is 2 of my favorite things, rose gold and Harry Potter. So this is what these ones look like. I don't know if you guys can see on screen, you might notice that there's like a bit of a like a yellowy tinge to them, and that's what blocks the blue light from your eyes. So wearing these when you do a lot of computer work, or if you're on your cell phone a lot, is going to help your eyes. Basically, well, one, it's going to protect the light coming from the blue screen into your eye, but it's also going to make it so that your eyes are less strained and tired if you're doing a lot of work on a computer. So the really cool thing about if you guys end up shopping Bond Look, you don't just have to do so in the Eaton Center. That's actually available site-wide on their website. So if you guys want to shop some new glasses yourself, I have a discount code. It's Kalyn20, and you guys can get $20 off. And they also have sunglasses too. So on my LA trip, a lot of you guys were commenting and asking where these were from. And these have been my go-to spring sunglasses. They also have my prescription in them too, and they're polarized. So all the things, everything looks so much more crisp, and everything kind of looks like an Instagram filter, you know? Like I feel like I'm looking at everything in sepia. When you go into the store and do the store experience, you're actually gonna be able to work with a stylist there to make sure that they're getting your prescription, getting your needs, making sure that they fit your face, all that fun stuff. And all the glasses are starting at $149, which is really cheap for glasses. So if you guys are in the need, then Bond Look is going to be your best friend. So I'll leave all of the information for them down below. Make sure you guys check them out. They've been a really awesome company for me to work with, and I love their designs and styles. And aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love that I'm just playing like musical glasses boxes right now. And aside from that, I will talk to all of you guys in my next video. Bye guys.